welcome to Inspire Awesome. Today we will be making a cardboard house that you can use as a model or a toy. Let's go. These are the supplies you'll need. Hot glue gun, Sharpie, cardboard, hot glue stick, paint, color of your choice, ruler, scissors, paintbrush, some wiry string, regular string, a thick paintbrush, a thicker paintbrush, some decoration, and a knife. Just kidding. First thing you gotta do is cut out the pieces like this. Cut it into like a square shape. Mine's already in a square shape. So, yeah. Okay. But I still have to cut it into a square. Like this. Usually, I use a regular piece, but this is all the cardboard I had. Does everyone understand? Good. Better understand. So, like, you also need to cut out a strip, just like that. And you also will need a Sharpie, by the way. And you can sketch out the design you want for your house. See, these are my door. And you write what it is. It says door. Just here backwards. Can add like room right here and name it the bathroom. Bathroom. I can draw some things in there, like, they don't have to be good. The bathtub, or like a little rug right there. And then we can, like, toilet. Handle. Then you can also, like, make the sink. And now, you keep drawing everything out. Maybe the bathroom's connected to a bedroom. Make it however you like. This is just mine. So I'm just gonna speed it up for you. So this is my house space. Got the door, the kitchen, living room, bathroom, bedroom, closet, all of this nice stuff. Okay? Now, what's yours like? Tell me about it in the comments. Now we're gonna start building the walls. Like this piece, you can like add it like here, there, but every time you have a door where you want it, make sure to cut it smaller. Like so, if I did it here, it would be that part. Let's go see what it looks like. So once you put on all the walls like this, and you can also add some doors, you're going to start making some of the furniture. This is how you make some. Just like this. I'm going to start by making the couch. So, get like a piece of cardboard and cut it to the size you want. Now we're going to get another piece that fits the same size. I'm making the couch part. Going around the edges. You can trim it down to whatever size you would like. And then you just hot glue it. I'm gonna let it dry up here while I make the bottom. Just like that. I'm gonna add the sides, the arms of the chair. Just like this. You just glue it into your house. Okay, so I glued the couch into the house. It's bigger than the walls, but I can fix that because we're gonna add another layer to the walls like that. So let's do that. Well, only add another layer if you need it. I do. Okay. So after you add the second layer if needed, like I needed to. Pull off any extra glue strings that they have, and if it's tall enough, you can add the other things inside and the roof, if you want a roof. Okay everyone, now I'm going to add the last thing, the roof. Oops. Okay, time to glue the roof on. Hey. So I added the roof. Now we're gonna add some decoration. Please remember to like and subscribe to this video. Have a great day.